Let me show you how to use split screen view on your Samsung S25. So to enable it, first we simply have to open up basically our background running apps, and we have to actually place the apps we want to use in split screen in the background. So for example, let's open calculator, and you see I have also like the web browser over here. The next what I have to do in this view, you simply have to click on this icon over here on the top and open in split screen view. And then you basically have to select basically this, or also for example, okay, so you see you can even like open any other app, so you actually do not have to place the other app in the background, so only the first one which you want on the top. But anyway, let's select this one. So you see I'm now using basically both these at the same time, and also I can easily like resize here as well, so by simply dragging this here. So yeah, absolutely awesome. And if you want to close it, basically, so either swipe up or down. So if you want to swipe, so if you want to close the bottom tab, for example, okay, so you see, swipe all the way down and it gets closed. Good luck.